everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you guys this new watering system I got. It's by Rainpoint and it's a super smart watering system. So I'm going to open the box, take all the parts out, go over each thing, then we'll put it to use and show you how it works. Okay, so we have all the parts out and we're just going to go over real quickly what is included in this package. So you can see here we have a 2-zone water timer. So this will be good. I can put it on 2 different beds or 2 different times. So we'll get that set up in a minute. You've got your water flow meter, your high precision rain sensor, the outdoor air humidity sensor, which is really cool. And then we've got 2 of the soil and moisture sensors. So I'm assuming that each one of these will go on each zone. And then you've got the irrigation display hub. To get started, go to the App Store on your phone and type in Home Gar. Once you locate this app, you can scroll and see what all will be actually included in the app. So go ahead and download that to your phone. And once it's open, you can begin pairing your hub to your Wi-Fi. And once it's paired, then you can start adding all of the devices. So one of the things that comes with the kit is this Rainpoint air humidity sensor. And you simply just hang this up outside somewhere in the vicinity of your hub, and it will actually tell you on the inside, and I'll show you here in a second on the hub, it'll tell you the outside air temperature as well as the humidity. So let's go take a look at what it says, and I'm just going to hang this on my porch. Okay, Here we have our irrigation display hub, and I have sat it here in our foyer because every day before I go out to the garden, I like to walk by and take a quick look at all the information that it's showing me here. So here is today's forecast. It's got the temperature, the high and the low that it's expecting. I can tell that it's partly sunny, and this is the time and the day of the week. And then over here, it tells me what the indoor temperature is and the humidity inside. Here is the information that is displayed from the air humidity sensor, which I just installed outside. So I can see that it's 83 degrees outside and we have 50% humidity here today. So this is going to be really helpful for me to get a quick look at what is going on outdoors. And then later on we'll get into this. This is where our watering irrigation system comes into play on this display. We'll come back to that. Okay, so we're standing in the area that I want to put irrigation on, or one of the areas that I want to put irrigation on. And it is the front flower bed that gets full sun all day long, westward facing. So I would really like to be able to monitor the soil in this area because it gets really hot and dry. And if I didn't know it needed watering, I'd be out here constantly checking on the plants. So this system is going to come in really, really handy for this area because it will actually sense if we've had rain or not. So this is what I'm holding in my hand. This is the rain gauge. It's got a place for where the water just collects here, and it sends the information to the hub so I'll know when it rains, how much it rains. And I'm just going to sit it on the ground here in this flower bed. And then we'll also have the soil sensors that we'll install here in a minute that will tell me or tell the hub, hey, we need to turn the water on. So I'm just going to sit this down here somewhere in the garden and just let it collect rain. Okay, so next we have the soil moisture sensor, and you install this into the soil and you install it vertically. Just stick it down into the ground like that. So it measures the soil moisture percentage and the surface temperature, and it also has a built-in light sensor at the top to monitor light intensity. It is easily controlled with the app that I have downloaded onto my phone. It also pairs with the water timer, so that gives me efficient and accurate irrigation for this area. So on the hub inside, I can hit the sensor button on the top, and it could tell me sensor number 3 is the soil moisture sensor that I just installed in the ground. And it's telling me the soil temperature, and there's only 3% moisture in the soil. So I told you it was super dry out there. Or I can come here to the app on my phone, and I can also tap on it, and it will give me the light intensity as well. Okay, so they actually send 2 of these with this package, so I'm going to go stick this one in a different flower bed because I have the 2-zone water timer. Okay, so the next piece is the Rainpoint water flow meter, and you can install it right to your water spigot. And I'll show you also on the app of the phone what this does. It measures the gallons per minute. It tells me the current usage, the last water usage today. It's got all this pertinent information to let you know exactly how much your irrigation is using and running. It's also made where you can add it to a water hose, and like if you're watering by hand with a wand. Okay, so the next piece is the smart 2-zone water timer, and this is where the party is. Okay, so it's got this quick connect, and you just simply push it on like that. Okay, so if I go into the app on my phone and I tap on the picture for the 2-zone water timer, you can see here that I haven't set mine up yet, but it's super easy to do. You can hit plan, and it has rain delay on or off. You can put what you want the rain delay to be. Or I can add a plan, and this is where I actually set the timer. What time of day I want it to come on, how long I want it to come on, and if I want it to repeat every day or every other day, etc., etc. So back inside looking at my hub, I can see that Smart Zone 2 is running and there's 3 minutes left and it's showing that it is watering right now. Pretty cool, huh? Quick and easy, right? So now I can look, I've got 48 seconds left on my Zone 2 and it's 84 degrees outside and I'm sweating. But listen, so you can go to rainpointonline.com and get your own smart garden watering system, and it'll take all the guesswork out of when you need to water and how often and all those things, and it'll make your life a lot easier. So I'm excited to put this thing to use and get started on my front flower bed that has been a problem area for me. But listen, thanks for watching my review and my video on how to put this whole system together and see it working. And remember, bloom where you're planted.
Visit rainpointonline.com to learn more about the Rainpoint Smart Plus Garden Watering System. You can see on their homepage that they have everything you need to know about the watering system and even what some of their best sellers are. Keep scrolling the homepage and you can see a little bit about what the company is and some of the things that they offer. If you go back to the top of the page, you can click the black Read More page. It'll take you to the Rainpoint Smart Plus Garden Watering System page. Here it'll tell you about how the hub connects to the app, some of the features that you can use while you're using the app and the Rainpoint system. They have a full range of products. If you keep scrolling, it'll tell you exactly the product descriptions, such as the hub, the garden control hub that you see here, the 1-zone water timer, the 2-zone water timer, the soil moisturizer sensor, the water flow meter, the high precision rain sensor. They even have a pool thermometer and then an outdoor air humidity sensor. So check out all these options that Rainpoint offers. You can even subscribe to get special offers, free giveaways, and once-in-a-lifetime deals. Thanks for watching. Check out rainpoint.com.